Moving really tall and heavy wardrobe is not an easy task without dismantling it, but sometimes, like today, the client asks us to leave the wardrobe as it is and try to move it out without dismantling it. At first, when we came, we tried to go with the wardrobe via the front door, but it just simply wouldn't fit. So the only way was to go through the balcony. Kind of looking around and having a little plan, we decided to give it a go because it's an IKEA wardrobe, so it's not that heavy, but it takes a little bit of thinking and time to do it properly without damaging the wardrobe or the walls in the house. So basically what we did, we tried to cover the railings with a blanket so we can slide the wardrobe over because it's not too high, and then just a simple lift over using our hands because you can't really use any rope, any trolleys going above the railing. So it was a pretty hard job to do. So our advice before doing any kind of this job, just make sure that everything is securely tightened, and especially the back of the wardrobe because that's the main thing that holding the thing together. So before lifting anything that heavy and that tall, first of all, make sure there's nothing left on the top. Make sure that the legs are really strong and everything is tightened kind of to the max, because when you start to carry it, it can fall apart. Take out all the shelvings. That kind of lightens up a bit, and they wouldn't fall out when you're carrying or lifting over some kind of fence or railing or anything like that, or you need to go over the stairs or something like that. Unloading the wardrobe was also not an easy task today because it is so tall, so we had to use all available space. Always mind for the walls as well as any kind of light fixtures or paintings on the walls, so make sure they all removed beforehand. This time we had to use both of the doors in the house just to barely fit the wardrobe because it was literally millimeters from the walls and the ceilings, but we managed to fit and it went through no problem. Just a little bit of time and thinking, and at the end of the day the client was happy and we were happy as well to help the client to get the wardrobe in one piece without dismantling it.